Good morning everyone. I am Garima from BSc Chemistry Honors second year. Today we are going to do our chapter epoxides. Introduction. Epoxides are cyclic ethers having three-membered ring in which oxygen is one of the atom. They are also known as alkene oxide or oxyrenes. The simplest epoxide is ethylene oxide. In the common system, epoxides are called as alkyline oxides. In the IUPAC system, there are named as alkene oxides, epoxyl alkene, or oxyrenes. The common and IUPAC name of some of the epoxides are given below for the sake of elucidation. The chemical behavior of epoxide is quite different from acyclic ethers. Synthesis of epoxides. Epoxides of alkene. Epoxides are usually prepared by reaction between an alkene and organic peroxy acid. The reaction is known as epoxidation. This is an alkene and second is peroxy acid. Its epoxidation will takes place and we will get epoxide. Peroxy acid commonly used in this reaction are peroxyformic acid, peroxyacetic acid, peroxybenzoic acid, and metacycloperoxybenzoic acid. When a solution of peroxy acid and alkene in ether or cyclofoam is allowed to stand, epoxides are formed. For example, 2-butene plus peroxybenzoic acid will give 2,3-dimethyl ethylene oxide. It may be noted that epoxides of alkene is a stereospecific reaction in which stereochemistry of the substituent on the double bond is maintained. Thus, a cis alkene gives a cis epoxide and a trans alkene gives a trans epoxide. The reagent most commonly employed for epoxidation of alkene these days is magnesium monoperoxy phthalate. Mechanism. The mechanism of epoxidation involves the transfer of an electrophilic oxygen atom from peroxy acid to alkene as depicted below. Second, from halohydrines. When halohydrines prepared by the reaction of aqueous solution of chlorine or bromine with alkene are treated with a base, HX is eliminated to yield a epoxide. For example, ethene plus Cl2 plus H2O will give ethylene chlorohydrin. Mechanism. The base attack the halohydrin to abstract the hydrogen from OH part of halohydrin to form an alkoxide ion. The nucleophilic oxygen of the alkoxide ion displaces the halogen from the adjacent carbon to form the epoxide as shown below. It may be seen that the reaction involves intermolecular nucleophilic substitution and is therefore treated as intramolecular Williamson synthesis. It should also be noted that in SN2 reaction, the attack of nucleophile takes place from the backside of CX bond. Manufacture of ethylene oxide. Ethylene oxide is manufactured by passing a mixture of ethylene and acid under pressure over silver catalyst at 475 to 675 Kelvin. Calcium reactions of chemical reactions of epoxides. In contrast to acyclic ethers, which are chemically quite inert, epoxides show high chemical reactivity. This is due to highly strained nature of three-membered ring system. Ring openly reaction of epoxide. In the three-member ring containing oxygen, the carbon oxygen carbon bond angle and the carbon carbon oxygen bond angle are nearly 60 degree each. This large distortion from the normal tetrahedral angle of 109.5 degree causes very large strain in the epoxide molecule. As a result, epoxide undergoes a number of ring opening reactions quite easily. These reaction takes place through the cleavage of one of the carbon oxygen bonds and may be either catalyzed by acid or brought about by bases or nucleophiles. Acid catalyst ring opening. Just as the simple ether undergo cleavage of molecule on reaction with acid, epoxide undergo ring cleavage on treatment with acids even under mild conditions. First, acid catalyst hydrolysis. One of the most important cleavage reaction of epoxide is their hydrolysis to form 1,2-glycol. Hydrolysis takes place even in the presence of dilute mineral acid at room temperature. Epoxide plus H2O in the presence of H positive will give glycol. For example, ethylene oxide plus H2O in the presence of H positive will give ethane 1,2-diol. Second, acid catalyst reaction with alcohol. For example, CH2O CH2 plus CH3CH2OH in the presence of H2SO4 will give 2-ethoxyl ethanol. Reaction with halogen acids. Epoxide react with HCl and HBr to form chloro and bromohydrines. For example, this is the example for this. Mechanism of acid catalyst ring opening. The mechanism of acid catalyst ring cleavage may be elucidated by considering the hydrolysis of epoxide. In the acid catalyst hydrolysis of epoxides, the epoxide is initially protonated by the acid. The protonated epoxide then undergoes nucleophilic attack by water to cause ring opening by breaking carbon oxygen bond. The reaction is completed by the loss of proton as depicted below. Nucleophilic ring opening. Unlike simple ether which do not undergo ring cleavage by a base or a nucleophile, cleavage of epoxide ring takes place even by such reagent due to their ring strain in their molecule. For example, when treated with the OH ion at high temperature, epoxide ring get cleaved to form 1,2-glycol. Mechanism of nucleophilic ring opening. The mechanism of nucleophilic ring opening is shown below with the help of basic hydrolysis of ethylene epoxides. The strongly nucleophile hydroxide ion attack the epoxide and displaces the oxygen atom from one carbon by SN2 reaction. The product thus formed get protonated to form the glycol as depicted below. Orientation of a ring opening. First, anti-addition. The ring opening of epoxide led to the formation of products corresponding to anti-addition to carbon-carbon double bond. For example, acid catalyst hydrolysis of cyclopentene oxide yield trans 1,2-cyclopentene diol. For example, cyclopentene oxide plus H2O in the presence of H positive will give trans 1,2-cyclopentene diol. Second, regioselectivity. Unsymmetric oxygens can undergo ring opening in two different ways and generally leads to different product in acidic or basic medium. In acidic medium, the nucleophilic generally gets attacked to the more substituted carbon, while in basic the nucleophilic become attacked to the less substituted carbon, as shown in these examples. Explanation. The difference in regioselectivity in acidic and basic medium may be just as justified as follows. In basic medium, the ring opening is an SN2 displacement by the nucleophile on the unprotonated oxygen. As in other NS2 reaction, SN2 reactions, the attack takes place at the less substituted and less sterically hindered carbon. As shown in this compound, the less sterically hindered carbon undergoes SN2 attack. In acidic medium, the first step is the protonation of oxygen of the oxygen ring. Due to the electron releasing group attacked to the more substituted carbon, positively charged oxygen attack the electron pair of its bond with the carbon to a great extent than the electron pair of bond with the less substituted carbon. As a result, the more substituted carbon oxygen bond become weaker than the less substituted carbon oxygen bond. Therefore, ring opening takes place preferably at the more substituted carbon oxygen bond, and the product contain the nucleophile attack to the more substituted carbon. 3.3.4 Other nucleophilic ring opening reactions. Reactions with Grignard reagent and organolithium reagents. Epoxides also undergo nucleophilic ring opening reaction with Grignard reagent and organolithium reactions. The product initially formed on hydrolysis yield a primary alcohol containing large number of carbon atoms. The epoxide generally used in the reaction in ethylene oxide and the alcohol formed containing 2 carbon atoms more than in the Grignard reagent. For example, N-propyl magnesium bromide plus CH2O CH2 in the presence of ether will give 1 pentanol in the presence of H3O positive. Second, then N-butyl lithium plus CH2O CH2 in the presence of ether in the presence of H3O positive will give 1 hexanol. Reactions with alcohol. CH3O CH3 plus CH3OH in the presence of CH3O negative and positive will give 2 methoxyl 1 ethanol. Reaction with ammonia. When reacted with ammonia, it will give 2 ammonio 1 ethanol. Reaction with hydrogen cyanide. In the presence of H2O, it will give ethylene cyanohydrine. Reaction with LiAlH4, it will give in the presence of 2H2O will give alcohol. So here our chapter is completed. Thank you.